Wall adapters and tabletop power supplies both plug directly into the wall socket and your device. Tabletop power supplies offer additional functionalities and more regulatory certification, as well as deliver more power than wall adapters. Europe and the United States both have mandated several energy-saving restrictions for external adapters, which are widely used by all businesses. As an industry leader, Meanwell complies with all regulations and supplies power products that are the leading standards worldwide. Offering universal functionality and power factor correction, Meanwell power adapters are highly reliable and meet all safety standards. Applications include consumer electronics, industrial equipment, office facilities, and telecommunications devices. The Meanwell GST Series power adapter is a low-cost, highly flexible power supply that is used in many different applications. It can be used to power more than one item or product from a single power supply and offers these key features: 89% efficiency, output voltages of 5 VDC to 48 VDC, extremely low no-load power consumption, 94 VO flame retardant case, and working temperatures between -30°C and +70°C. The series complies with the latest rules for energy efficiency and meets all the requirements for energy savings and carbon emission reduction. The SGAS Green Series is exceptionally narrow, small, and optimized for portability. The product's key features include an ultra-slim design, universal AC input, no load power consumption of less than 0.15 watts, energy efficiency level 6, and a fully enclosed plastic case. The SGAS series is 90% energy efficient and offers low, no-load power consumption of less than 0.15 watts, allowing the adapter to conserve energy in both running and standby modes. Meanwell's product lines include AC-DC switching power supplies, DC to DC converters, DC to AC inverters, and battery chargers. The company offers thousands of different product models that are used in automation, communications, LED lighting, medical, moving sign, and office automation applications. Meanwell's growth over the years is built on reliable product quality, excellent designs, and low pricing. Jameco stocks thousands of Meanwell power products that are ready for same-day shipping. We also provide corporations and government agencies with customized services and long-term partnerships. We're here to assist you with your sample and quote requests. Contact us today to discuss your product requirements. Send an email to productsupport@jameco.com or call us at 800-794-9100 for a product sample or quote request.